Okay, hello everyone. What we're doing today, we're working on a ChargePort HomeFlex car charger. Now, we've installed one of these chargers before. As you see, this one has, hopefully we will see this, a maximum circuit rating of 40 amps. So you might wonder what size conductor are we going to be using for this. So for this, we're going to go to our code book, of course, because we want to do everything properly according to electrical code. So in our code books, California, we're still using the 2020 National Electrical Code. Article 625, electric vehicle power transfer systems. So there's two different types. The ones that gets mounted in homes, and you might see like the dock stations, like outdoors, you know. So we use the electric vehicle supply equipment that are basic dock charging stations. So in order to find out if this is a continuous load or non-continuous load, we go up under our installation. This is Article 225.41 up under our overcurrent protection. Overcurrent protection for feeders and branch circuits shall supply EVSE, including bidirectional EVSE, shall be sized for continuous duty and shall have a rating not less than 125% of the maximum load of the equipment. So, with that being said, our maximum for our car charger is at 40 amps. So according to the code, we need to size our branch circuit conductor at 125% of that. So 40 at 125%, just multiply that 40 times 1.25, or just put 125% in your calculator and it'll come out to 50 amps. So it'll come out to 50 in general. And then at that point, we could size our wire conductor. So we'll go to our 310/16 at this point. We are going to be using a bit of non-metallic conductors, which is Romex. So we'll use the 60-degree column when we're using Romex. So we see we can't use number 8s. Number 8 is only good for 40 amps. So we need to bump it down to number 6, which ranges up to 55. So number 6 will be rated high enough to run this car charger efficiently at its maximum load at its 125%. So that's what we're going to be installing, y'all. All right, let's get to it. Okay, we have it installed. We're just going to finish lining the panel. Just wrap the cord around it and final it up. A dead front cover back on, secured, has 2 lock points on it. Okay, now we have the main cover on it. Now the rest of this is taken care of by the app. You need to set your amperage, whatever you have it at, between 15 and 50. So that's what you finish with the rest of the app, and your charger gun clicks right in, stays when you need it, click off, kind of like our gas pump. All right, y'all, hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Okay, we're not running away yet. 2-pole 50 amp breaker, label it car charger. I'll grab my Sharpie and do that. But other than that, after that, you're done. Finish the items in the app and your car charger will be good to go. All right, y'all, have a good one. See you next time.